Today is June 23, 2026. I'll be going over yesterday's price session. I could not do another one. Again, I'm a little late on this one, but it's okay. I finally lost. I finally lost the win streak. I was on a cool little win streak, and then yeah, I took a L, and I'm actually happy with my L. I actually love my L. I would definitely take it 10 out of 10 times. The only thing is, should I have went break even is really depends on your conviction. I really had high conviction, but you could have made the argument like going break even was the right move for my trade. So going in today, I kind of have a neutral bias. I mean, we're clearly displacing lower. We're clearly showing that we're like short because we have now dumped over. Let me see. Uh, Dumped over 3% in like since ages session, right? So at this point, I'm like, okay, we're short, dude. We're short bias here. Um, the only thing is why I was neutral is just because we had a bunch of low resistance liquidity, and if you just look at the high time frame, we're really due for some type of big retrace. Because look up how much we have dumped. We have not even hit equilibrium of a range, not even one time. We haven't hit discount, right? So, I'm still like, this is probably gonna get rebalanced soon. I don't know when. Either this week, somewhere this week, it's gonna get rebalanced. But yeah, we're clearly short here. But I just did not like the low resistance. We had a bunch of low resistance in the lower time frames, like above. Um, but what can I use as my condition? We had a 30-minute gap right here. We had a 30-minute gap. We had a 30-minute gap right here. ES also super short bias. We had unfilled for value gaps below. We did have an SMT though, but what is this SMT really like showing? Not really anything. And we're SMT not even inside a key level. It's just a random, just a big swing high, right? But just no key level here. There's to take a long off of. So I still wasn't long bias per se, but I would just worry about whatever, wary. I would just worry about that. So coming to market open, I want to see what do we do with this 30-minute gap. So this 30-minute gap was my condition. If we respected this 30-minute gap, I want to see prices lower. If we disrespected it, I want to see prices higher to all this low resistance, leading up to a 1 hour 80-minute high. So yeah, I want to see what we did. Immediately, immediately we manipulate into this 9:30 does what? So okay, let me see right here. 9:30 does what? Immediately comes lower, adding liquidity to our um, overall high time frame DOL. We take nothing out basically. This also looks really good. It's just like this long right here. This is like a 30-second here. There is nothing supporting price here, right? There's no fair value gap. There's no liquidity. There is nothing supporting price for to go higher. There's nothing supporting price to go higher. Um, yes, the same thing. There's just nothing supporting price here. So right there, it was like a clear fade. There was just no deal. There's no key level here to take a long off of, right? Um, so I'm waiting for this 30-minute to hit. Boom, we hit this 30-minute. Again, we also add more low resistance liquidity to our liquidity pool. Now we have one, two, three, a bunch of swing lows leading up to our high time frame DOL. So at this point, I'm super bearish. I'm just waiting for ES to tap this 30-minute gap. And what do? We tap this 30-minute gap. Oh wait, ES, yeah, we tap this 15-minute for value gap right here. So at this point, okay, I'm super short bias. Um, we have, if we show disrespect, I'm so down to take a short here. If we show like good displacement and disrespect of this for value gap. So what do? I look for the 30-second, 15 seconds, because what ES actually hits has a new manipulation leg. NQ also has the same thing, a new manipulation leg right here. So I'm just waiting for this 15 minutes to get inverse right here. Boom, you get an instant inversion. I actually got filled a little lower, like around here, because I just couldn't enter right in time. But I still would like this trade super, super good. Um, and I was just targeting basically this swing low a little high RR, but to be honest, I was just super convicted here. I was probably gonna I was gonna scale at our 101, and then once we get our 101, I was gonna let it ride all the way down here. So to this swing low, I didn't want to go all the way to 930 because now this is a 1 to 5. You know, this is pretty insane. Uh, so what do we do? Come lower, tap this 2 minute gap. I was debating on going break even here. I was like, should I go break even? I don't know. The reason why I chose to not go break even was because we have another SMT. Again, we created another SMT with ES are up here, so making my stop loss more high resistance, adding more high resistance. It's adding just more high resistance to my stop loss, and that's what I like really. And then boom, we started having choppy candles. I thought I was about to get stopped out here. Immediately, boom, we go lower again. And I was just debating on going break even here. Um, in hindsight, should I have won break even? I don't know, gang. I don't know. I was super strongly convicted we would run all these liquidity down here. So I don't know. It was just I feel like it depends on your conviction here. I had a really high conviction. That's the reason why I didn't go break even. Because what is this 2 minute defending? This 2 minute is defending a bunch of low resistance. And what is it attacking? My high resistance stop loss in a 30-minute gap with true manipulation, ES also being in that gap. So to me, it was obvious like I like this 2 minute wasn't really like attacking. I mean, wasn't really like doing anything to my stop loss is what I thought. But you could argue like we should just flush to this 2 minute. Like there's no point of us, stalling. I would have expected this 2 minute to give us like some type of retracement to this break even. So that's why I didn't go break even yet. But after this, I don't know. After we come down again, should I want break even? To me, I feel like it was no reason to. But just because also with the SMT added above that, I really love this trade. And yeah, eventually I did get stopped out at what? At break even. I got stopped at break even right here. Oh, we were in this trade, not break even. We were in this trade for so long. I was in this trade for so freaking long. And I didn't go break even either at 945. What? Because I just put the 945 just to deliver us lower to our liquidity, to our DOLs. So I didn't go break even at 945. Also, I really didn't care that I entered right before 945 because I expect 945 to do what? Deliver our DOLs. So boom, didn't go break even just because it's this 2 minute. I expected this 2 minute to fail, and yeah, this 2 minute ended up holding, and I got stopped out at. I just got stopped out. I just got stopped out right here. Brutal, brutal, brutal. I was in this trade for 6 minutes. Not even. That's not that long. 6 minutes. Um, should I win break even? Probably. I don't know. I just don't. I just super convicted in this trade. But if you look at ES, we're kind of printing super bullish at this point. We're printing kind of bullish. So yeah, maybe I should have went break even. I don't know. To be honest, in hindsight, I was just super convicted. So, if my conviction is super high, like I probably won't go break even at a low time frame gap, which is this 2 minute. If this was a 5 minute, maybe I'll go break even. If there's 15 minute, I'll definitely go break even. But it's like a 2 minute gap, like right? Like this 2 minute is really just attacking my high resistance stop loss and defending just low resistance. So yeah, after that, I think there was just nothing left. I'm pretty sure like everyone was super short bias. I'm pretty sure, and just the bias, I just had a wrong bias. Um, I expected us to flush through these DOLs after respecting this 30-minute gap, but no, we just pumped the whole. We just pumped. We just kept pumping and pumping and pumping. So if you see this, look, I got off. I should take my loss. If you just see us pumping and pumping and just giving us little to no retracements, just get off the market. Um, so yeah, I just got off around here because there's no point of me taking a second trade after I just lost. I know there's like a 1 minute like like yeah, there's like a 15 minute mech, bunch of LR. Actually, this looks pretty clean to be honest. It looks pretty clean. 2 minute. Is this like? Where is it? Yeah, 1 minute. Or was it 30 second? Yeah, 30 second right here. It's pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie. 15 minute as a DOL. Yeah, this looks pretty clean. Also, I think you're inside a 4 hour. Yeah, very clean here. I actually like this. I probably would have taken this if I wasn't in, yeah, I probably would have taken this. I don't know, probably would have taken this. Maybe I would have got off after seeing all this chop. I don't know, you know. But yeah, super clean. This was kind of clean. But either way, I took my loss for today. Actually, very happy with my loss. Should I win break even? It really depends to your conviction. I had high conviction here, decided not to go break even, and boom, you know. But yeah, I would have been mad if this went break even and then hit TP. Like, would have been so mad. So that's another reason why I didn't go break even because I was just super convicted here. I feel like this 2 minute would give us some type of like rebalance, but I didn't expect this to stop me out, right? But either way, yeah, into the win streak. Super unfortunate. Was super convicted here. So yep, that's really it. I did follow my rules. I did like that trade. But yeah.